This video will show you the buttons overview of your new Edge 540/840 device. This video will use Edge 840. The buttons function on Edge 540 are the same. Edge 840 has 7 buttons. Some buttons can be used for different actions. Power key. Press to enter sleep mode and wake the device. Hold to enter the power options. Or turn the device on. Up and down keys. Press to scroll through the data screens, options, and settings. From the home screen, press up key to view the status page. Lap key. Press to mark a new lap during an activity. Start/stop key. Select to start and stop the activity timer. Back key. Select to return to the previous screen. Hold to return to the home screen. Menu, select key. Press to select or access to the options. From the home screen, hold to open the main menu. That's it. Thanks for watching.